This is the absolute worst way to bid a job ever. I'm Wayne Vose, Profits Unlimited. Been doing business consulting and seminars since 1990 and helping commercial contractors all over North America. And this is the absolute stupidest thing I've ever seen. And I fully expect pushback on it, and that's okay. But I was looking at the Lawn Care Mafia site the other day, and I found this website, www.lawnbeast.com/how much to charge calculator. Well, I just always like to see what's out there. So you put an address in, and it autofills, and it tells you what to charge for the job. So I put my own address in there. And oh my God, it's terrible information. Yes, I'll say it again, and I don't like throwing people under the bus, but I am throwing this estimator under the bus because it is the worst thing you could ever use for your business, and if you use it, you deserve to be out of business. And the reason it's bad is because it autofills pricing. I put in my address, and it tells me, hey, Wayne, you need to charge this person $46.94 if you cut it on a weekly basis. Bi-weekly, charge $56.33. Once, $62.59. Well, wait, is that one opportunity when it's this tall, that tall? How tall? If you're going to put information like this out, give somebody something worth having and not a bunch of garbage like this. Aeration. It's got a price in there that's not even close to what right is. You know, leaf removal. Here's a good one. Here's a really good one. $187.20 for leaf removal. I don't have a tree in my yard. My neighbor's leaves don't come to my yard because they don't have trees. So now if I approach this customer and say, hey, I need $187.20 to do leaves, and you say, well, Wayne, our estimator just takes an average based on the square footage and says this is what a person ought to charge. That's why it's wrong. That's why it's the worst thing ever. How can this number be right for anybody other than the person that maybe put this estimator and cost calculator together and saying, hey, here's the best thing since sliced bread to calculate cost? How did you come up with this pricing? How can you tell me or any other contractor across North America that, hey, this is what your pricing ought to be? Instead, why don't you give some valid information out like we do on how to calculate cost per hour for your company? So then when you look up a property and you see that it's a 0.31 acre property, you know based on your company's overhead, your company's use rates, and your company's desired profit margin, what the price should be. You know, this is exactly what's wrong with our industry. We got all these keyboard heroes putting information out there that's not doing anything but perpetuating the cycle of failure year after year after year after year, and it continues on and on and on. I've been in this business 46 years doing lawn and landscaping work. I've been a business coach for 30 years. And this is one of the absolute worst cost estimators out there. Please, guys, do not use it. If you want to put yourself out of business, use it. You know, the reality of this is, why don't you all, whoever put this together, and feel free to reach out to them if you want to, call me what you want to, I don't care, because I am right. You know, if you're going to put something up that's supposed to help the industry, put something up that's going to help the industry and not something that's going to perpetuate the cycle of failure. If you guys watching this video want some help and some real help and help from somebody that's been doing this for 30 years and understands how you should be calculating your cost, and that's based on your overhead, your use rates, and your desired profit margin. I can't put my numbers into this estimator as a business and say it's right for everybody across North America, across the world, or even within one single market. Come on, guys. Even you all can do better than this. If you got any comments, comment below. Again, it's Wayne Vose, Profits Unlimited. www.profitsrus, that's profitsareus.com if you want some good information. We'll see you next time. And that wraps up today's episode. I've got something special for all you lawn and landscape professionals out there. If you're looking to take your business to the next level, you've got to check out the Profit Circle. It's an exclusive group coaching community tailor-made for people just like you, because I know how hard it is to do it on your own. Imagine having access to live and recorded webinars where industry experts share their secrets, or getting exclusive tips and advice through videos and blogs that you won't find anywhere else. Got questions? Get them answered in an interactive Q&A sessions offered by the Profit Circle. Plus, don't miss our monthly webinars packed with awesome content. Check out the link in the description to get started. Trust me, you don't want to miss this opportunity.